In this guide, we'll learn how to send a WhatsApp campaign or WhatsApp broadcast using Chatzy AI. Campaigns are used when you want to send the same message to many people at once. For example, if you're running a promotion or offering discounts and want to inform a large group, a WhatsApp campaign is the best way to do that. Before you start, make sure you've completed the tutorials on how to connect your WhatsApp channel, create a WhatsApp template message, and create a contact list with all the recipients you want to include in this campaign. These tutorials should be completed beforehand, as we'll be using those setups here. Now, let's get started with creating a WhatsApp campaign. From the left sidebar, click on Campaigns. Here, you'll see a list of all previously created campaigns. For each campaign, you can view details like the trigger date, campaign name, selected channel, and the list it was sent to. Click on the Create Campaign button. You'll be prompted to enter a campaign name. Choose a name that helps you easily recognize the campaign later. Next, select the channel as WhatsApp. For the recipient type, choose List, and then select the list you've already created. This list should contain all the contacts that you want to send this message to. In the message type, select WhatsApp Template, then choose a template. Pick one of your approved templates from the list. If your selected template includes parameters, you'll now need to fill those in. If a parameter is of media type, like an image, video, or document, upload the appropriate file using the Upload Resource option. For text parameters, you can either type in a manual value or use variables to dynamically insert values when sending the message to different contacts. To use variables, click on the variable icon, an X in brackets. This will show you which variables are available. You can insert any contact attribute, such as the first name. For example, if you want to greet each user by name, you can use the variable contact.firstname. When the message is sent, Chatzy AI will automatically replace this placeholder with the actual first name of each contact. If you're unsure how to set up variables inside template messages, please refer to the earlier tutorial on creating WhatsApp templates. Once your template and parameter values are set, click on Create and Test. This will show you a preview of your message. You can choose a simulated contact from the drop-down to see how the message will appear to a specific user. It is better to choose your own contact first and receive a test message. Click Send Test Message to send the message to your number. If the message looks correct, go ahead and click Send Campaign. You'll now get two options: either schedule the campaign for later or send it immediately. Choose Send Now to send it right away. After you confirm, the campaign will begin sending. Messages will be delivered to campaign recipients over the next few minutes. You can monitor the progress of campaign completion by refreshing the campaign stats page. You'll also see WhatsApp stats like how many contacts the message was sent to, how many deliveries succeeded, how many messages were read, and if any failed. There are various reasons why messages might fail to send on WhatsApp. We'll cover those in a separate video. Now you have successfully learned how to create and send WhatsApp campaigns on Chatzy AI. Thank you.